Hi everybody, I wanted to talk about a little 1S build that I just did right here with the using the GnarlyFPV, the Primo V080 frame, because recently I was looking at the BetaFPV, the HX100SE, the little 1S super lightweight 65mm quad, and I was thinking about getting that, and then I realized, you know what, I think I have all the parts already to build something like that. So what I have here is the Eachine Nano X4 flight controller, a little 5 amp. This is from the Eachine Novice 1. And also from the Eachine Novice 1, these are the 1102 13,500 kV motors, which on paper are exactly the same spec as the motors on the BetaFPV HX100SE, so I thought, well, this should be actually pretty close to that. And to save further weight, I'm using just the all-in-one f7 camera here. And altogether this weighs, without a battery, 32 grams, so it's about 2 or 3 grams heavier than the actual BetaFPV HX100SE, but still pretty light, and I think gets a similar flying experience. And I'm going to fly it here on a, this is a 451S, and then flies for about 4 minutes on this, and on a 300, probably fly for about 2.5 minutes. But definitely a fun and different flying experience, something like this, because it's so light, it just feels like you're flying around like a piece of paper. And as soon as you come off the power, it just kind of stops in the air, kind of like a whoop in a way. So you're having to push it around a little bit more, use more throttle, and fly it in a different way than even something that's just a 2S model of the same size. But that doesn't mean it's not fun, and this f7 camera has a very wide angle on it, so that also enhances the feeling of speed. And a 3-minute flight on this goes by really fast because it just feels really sort of frantic and different than flying a slightly heavier model. And also it's just it's very light and quiet. Obviously nobody would probably even know you're flying it around, and it's easy to charge up a bunch of these little batteries and take this with you anywhere you might want to go. So I'll show you a quick I think 3 or 4 minute flight on this bigger battery here, and you can see what kind of funny flying experience this is. But anyway, that's it for this one. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you next time. Goodbye.